what Shay talking about who not have from who not have, because as far as I see, I'm observe. I don't see Shay with nothing. Because Shay goes, I don't want
talk what you tell me. What you tell me.
Yes. Now cross somebody. So again, I didn't know you post because we don't follow each other either, right? But I know say post. But I know say post something.
No, argue with them, you know.
Destiny and I were talking about it on live, right? I was the one that made the list. Me and Destiny, I said, oh, we're gonna put it together. I say Angel is more friends with our mutuals with everybody, because everybody in the gay community is a friend. So I said, come send it to send it to Destiny on TikTok, the list of all the names. Me even include Tiki United, no man like her, whatever. Me include Purple. I made the list. Me send it to Destiny.
When is that back to boy move?
Ivany and Shay was on live earlier, and them said them over there talking over there, I'm listening.
I will listen
and it was like about the woman, something and thing. So I was like, that's because I never know say you did post on one anything. So I say that's not what it's about. So when I say Ivany admin now, I say I did not like what you and Shay was talking about on the live. They were then making me know that you said you want to put it on keep it on whatever. See a good like 1-2 minutes.
Nothing wrong with that, because we understand so we are straight people and with them now go play with Uno. So nothing wrong if Uno Batman keep phone thing. Trevor message. Jesus Christ, guys, no me the pause and sister in the
boy, so why not feeling sound exclude out of things?
I mean, say it in the kitchen. Where did you say that? You never said that?
Sometimes I avoid her for a long time, and it's anything. The first thing she came and said, I follow and I follow woman. Follow what? So I turn and I said to her, okay, that means I follow Shay, did I follow Swiftly?
Yes!
Did I follow World Cup? Did I follow World Dog? And World Dog, did I follow somebody else? Because it's not no idea when nobody invent.
Mother, good night, Trevor.
Listen, me I tell you how Batman work. I'm telling you how Batman work. Batman no like females and Batman will never like we.
Right.
Batman will, you see, even if it two of them are the worst enemy, once it come up to cussing a female, they will come together.
Right.
Trevor no like Macy and Macy no like Trevor and Tiki no like, none of them no like them one another, but guess what one now? All of them are going to want to come together as unity now so that them World Cup can be big for keep them something.
Right.
They want to put a picture out there like them against we when it's not.
Right.
Because I tell them to follow. So now, them now see the reality of what going. Them now see say Macy did a thief for them something, and a Macy come tell we so them a keep what them a keep, and that's why me have to talk on it, because of when Macy say Trev call Macy and tell Macy something, and Macy thief them style. Nobody now talk about why Macy sister about them want to come about what we are say about them.
Right.
We not try to come together now as one for try go keep on the World Cup.
And Trevor go say we're trying to do something for our because them ex-school not batty boy.
I said that. Trevor
but if we don't get ex-school not batty boy, still on the batty man lane. Nobody not put to the play the batty boy not spread the strip man.
But me not have the problem. Me not have the problem with it, you know. If them want to keep them diverse community World Cup, nothing wrong with that. So what is the problem here?
I'm pump on land. See land. What the blood clot do now?
Diverse community.
And a diverse community.
Because diverse is a mixed community.
Miss Trip, you want Miss Trip.
Them mix up over there, Queenie. Them really mix up over there because